Wi-Fi adapter problems in Windows 10. Are you using a USB Wi-Fi adapter with Windows 10? Then you may be having problems connecting to the internet through this connection. The problem is most likely the driver which was automatically installed when you plugged in your USB Wi-Fi adapter is either old or outdated. Here are two possible solutions to fix this problem. The first thing you can try is go to Device Manager, then find Network Adapters. From here you can either upgrade the network adapter driver or uninstall it and search for a new driver for your Wi-Fi adapter. The second thing you can try is a network reset. Go to Windows Setting, then Network. Scroll down until you see Network Reset. Or you simply enter Network Reset in the search box from the Start menu. Click Yes for a network reset. Unplug your Wi-Fi adapter from its USB port. Restart your computer. Reinsert your Wi-Fi adapter into the USB port. You will have to enter your Wi-Fi provider and host again. Your Wi-Fi connection should be working now. Thanks for watching.